Stop for a second and think about this. What if the person who understands money the best in your entire city doesn't look rich at all? No luxury car, no designer clothes, no social media flex, just a normal life on the outside. That idea alone already breaks what most people believe about wealth, because the truth is, the majority of people are chasing the image of money, not the reality of it. And the reality is very different. Real wealth is quiet, controlled, and often invisible. It doesn't try to impress you. It doesn't need to prove anything. It simply exists and grows in the background while most people are distracted by appearances. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through a completely new way of thinking about money. Not recycled advice, not basic tips, but a deeper understanding of how real wealth is actually built and protected over time. And if you truly understand what I'm about to explain, you won't just look at money differently, you'll start behaving differently. And that's where everything changes. Let's start with the biggest misunderstanding people have. Most people think wealth is created by earning more money, but earning more money alone doesn't solve anything. If your behavior stays the same, imagine two people. Both earn $5,000 a month. One spends $4,800 and saves $200. The other spends $2,500 and invests $2,500. After 1 year, the first person has almost nothing. The second person has built a foundation. After 5 years, the difference becomes massive. After 10 years, it becomes life-changing. So wealth is not just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and how intelligently you use it. That's the first shift you need to make. Stop focusing only on income and start focusing on control. Now here's something even more important. Wealth is built through systems, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel like working hard, some days you don't. But systems don't depend on how you feel. They run automatically. For example, someone who builds wealth doesn't wait until the end of the month to see what's left to invest. They set up automatic investments. The moment money comes in, a portion goes out into assets. No decision needed, no emotion involved. Over time, this system becomes powerful because it removes inconsistency, and consistency is the real driver of results. Another thing you need to understand is the difference between assets and liabilities. This is simple, but most people ignore it. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out. The problem is, many people buy liabilities thinking they are assets. A car, for example, is useful, but it loses value over time and requires ongoing expenses. It's not building your wealth. On the other hand, something like an index fund, a business, or a digital product can generate income or grow in value. Wealthy individuals focus on increasing their assets while controlling their liabilities. That's how their net worth grows without needing constant effort. Now let's talk about lifestyle. This is where most people destroy their financial future without realizing it. As income increases, lifestyle increases. Bigger house, better car, more expensive habits. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it feels normal. You think, I'm earning more, so I deserve more. But the problem is, your expenses grow at the same speed as your income, sometimes even faster. So even though you're earning more, you're not getting ahead. People who build wealth do the opposite. When their income increases, they don't rush to upgrade their lifestyle. They keep their expenses stable and increase their investments. That gap between income and expenses becomes their power. Now here's something that most people won't tell you. Building wealth is actually boring. It's not exciting. It's not fast. It's not glamorous. It's repetitive. It's consistent. It's disciplined. And that's exactly why most people don't do it. They want quick results. They want shortcuts. They want something that feels exciting. But wealth doesn't reward excitement. It rewards patience. It rewards discipline. It rewards people who are willing to do the same simple things over and over again for years. Let's talk about patience for a moment, because this is one of the most powerful advantages you can have. Most people want results immediately. If they don't see progress in a few weeks, they quit. But wealth operates on a different timeline. The first phase feels slow. You invest, you save, you work, but nothing dramatic happens. Then gradually, things start to accelerate. This is because of compounding. Money starts generating more money, and that growth begins to stack. But you only reach that stage if you stay consistent long enough. Most people quit before they get there. Another key difference is how wealthy individuals make decisions. They don't make decisions based on emotion. They make decisions based on logic and long-term impact. Before spending money, they ask themselves questions like, does this improve my life in a meaningful way? Does this help me grow? Does this create value in the future? If the answer is no, they don't spend. It's that simple. This doesn't mean they never enjoy life. It just means they are intentional. They choose where their money goes instead of letting impulse control them. Now let's talk about risk, because this is often misunderstood. Many people think wealthy individuals take huge risks. That's not entirely true. They take calculated risks. They understand what they are doing. They don't gamble blindly. They research, they analyze, and then they act. At the same time, they also understand that avoiding all risk is dangerous. If you never invest, if you never try, you guarantee that your financial situation will stay the same. So the goal is not to avoid risk, but to manage it intelligently. Time is another factor that separates average people from those who build wealth. Most people trade time for money. They work, get paid, and repeat. But wealthy individuals focus on breaking that cycle. They use their time to build something that continues to generate income. This could be investments, businesses, or digital assets. The idea is simple. Instead of working for money forever, they build systems where money works for them. That's what creates freedom. Now here's something practical. Start applying immediately. Start tracking your money. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. They earn, they spend, and at the end of the month, they wonder why nothing is left. When you start tracking, you gain awareness, and awareness leads to control. Once you see where your money is going, you can start making better decisions. You can cut unnecessary expenses and redirect that money into investments. Another important habit is learning continuously. The world of money is always changing. New opportunities appear, markets shift, technologies evolve. People who build wealth don't stop learning. They read, they observe, they adapt. This doesn't mean you need to spend hours every day studying. Even small, consistent learning over time can make a big difference. Now let's address something deeper, mindset, because everything starts there. If you believe money is hard to earn, you will approach opportunities with hesitation. If you believe wealth is only for certain people, you will never fully commit. But if you start seeing money as a tool, something that can be learned and controlled, your behavior changes. You become more proactive. You start looking for opportunities instead of waiting for them. Environment also plays a huge role. The people around you influence your thinking more than you realize. If you're surrounded by people who constantly spend, complain, or avoid responsibility, it becomes normal for you. But if you're around people who think long-term, who invest, who focus on growth, your mindset shifts. Even if you don't have that environment physically, you can create it digitally through content, books, and learning. Now here's a truth that might be uncomfortable, but it's necessary. Nobody is coming to fix your financial situation. There's no shortcut, no secret hack that replaces effort. The only thing that works is consistent action over time. Small improvements, repeated daily, create massive results over years. It's not exciting, but it's real. So what should you actually do after watching this? Start simple. Control your expenses. Begin investing, even if it's a small amount. Learn basic financial concepts. Avoid unnecessary debt. Focus on building income skills. And most importantly, stay consistent. Don't jump from one method to another every week. Pick a direction and commit to it. At the end of the day, wealth is not about luck. It's not about timing. It's about behavior. The way you think, the way you act, and the systems you build. If you change those, your financial future changes automatically. And remember this, the goal is not just to make money. The goal is to build a life where money is no longer a constant source of stress, where you have control, options, and freedom. That's what real wealth looks like. If you made it this far, that means you're serious. So don't let this just be another video you watched and forgot. Take action. Start small, but start today. Because the sooner you begin, the sooner you move forward, and once you build momentum, everything becomes easier.